In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove audio in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you accidentally added the wrong audio file, imported background music you no longer need, or simply want to clean up your project, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll know how to safely delete audio from your Clipchamp project without affecting the rest of your edits. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and go to any project of your choice. You can do this by logging into your account and selecting an existing project from your dashboard or creating a new one if needed. Once your project opens, you'll see the editing interface with the timeline at the bottom, the preview window at the top, and the media panel on the left-hand side. Now, to remove audio, we need to locate the audio file inside your project. On the left sidebar, click on the My Media tab. This is where all your uploaded videos, images, and audio files are stored. Scroll through your media library and find the audio file you want to remove. This could be background music, a voiceover recording, or any sound effect you previously uploaded. Once you've found the audio file you want to delete, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice 3 dots appear on the file thumbnail. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options related to that file. To remove the audio completely from your media library, click on the Delete option. After clicking Delete, Clipchamp will ask you to confirm your action. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally remove something important. When the confirmation message pops up, click on the Yes Remove button. Once you confirm, the audio file will be permanently removed from your project's media library. If that audio was already placed on the timeline, make sure it's also removed from there. If it's still on the timeline, simply click on the audio track in the timeline and press the Delete key on your keyboard, or right-click and choose Delete. And that's it! You've successfully removed audio in Clipchamp. It's a very straightforward process, but knowing exactly where to click can save you a lot of time when editing. Just to quickly recap, open your project, go to My Media, find the audio file, click the 3 dots, select Delete, and confirm by clicking Yes Remove. Simple and effective. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp editing tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.